If you have been watching my previous videos, you know that I run a goatscaping business, and I have been running it out of this very, very, very nice Chevy Suburban, a 1994 Chevy Suburban. I put this up so the goats can't jump over. I put the seats down. I put tarps down. It's a pain in the butt. I did something cool today I want to show you. So today I bought myself my very own creeper van. I'm so excited. So what we're gonna do is, I'll show you the inside of it. Okay, so it's actually got a really cool setup. It has this, so I don't have to put a gate or anything up there. I'm gonna throw some more like stall mats down, some rubber mats. I haven't cleaned any of this out. These shelves are going to come out of it because I don't need them. It has a 65-gallon water tank in it, which we're also going to remove, and I think we're going to repurpose that. If anybody has any ideas, let us know. We have some ideas for ourselves, but the main idea here is we're thinking about using this for the animals in some capacity. So I'm going to take this out and take out the extension cord. In the back, you open it up, this is what it looks like in the back. It's pretty cool because it's got these grates on the windows. And I just gotta clean it out a little bit, get the water tank out of it, and I can start using it for my goats. And then eventually we'll get the shelves out of there because I don't need those shelves for anything. They just take up room. And this is what we're doing instead of a horse trailer. Because I live on a busy road, you can hear it actually. I figured that I can get the Goog on there, get out my silhouette, and make a really nice logo. And then it essentially becomes a billboard for the traffic that you hear coming off of the highway. And we'll be able to hopefully get some customers. We're gonna put Only Goats Farm, and then I've gotten some ideas from AI where it'll say like Goatscaping, goat parties, goat yoga, have my socials and my contact information up here. Probably in one of the windows put they have like little goat stickers where it looks like the goats are looking out the window, so I might put one of those goat stickers there. But I guess stay tuned. I'm going to show you what we end up doing with my free candy van. Are you coming to check out the new van? This is your goat party bus. What do you think? What do you think, buddy? So my steal of a deal did not go out so great. I took off all of this plywood, ripped up the sheeting here, took out the water tank and everything, and there's a hole there, there's a hole there. So I'm gonna leave the plywood down, and then we've got some welding to do, but for now I'm gonna leave the plywood down. But I guess what to expect from a Buffalo, New York vehicle. Looking under it, it doesn't look bad. I'm going to put a hay bag in my van now. I haven't decorated it yet. I'm still waiting for my sticker thingies to come in. But I'm going to put a hay bag up there so they're happy when we're driving. All right, so where do I put this hay bag? Do I put it up here? Do I hang it back here? I'm thinking that I want it to be away from the doors so that I can move the goats in and out easily without having them crowded at the doors. So I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna hang it right on this wooden thing. My little fake trailer. Oh, the babies.
Oh, there's the mom.
There we go.
Where's the dad?
Mama.
That's mom. The fuck you fees.
there goes Josh Allen. He's a little short, but he runs. So how much did they get done today? Actually, they got a good chunk done because all of this up to here, like up to like where the baby is there.
Yeah.
That was all weeds. So they're working around the perimeter here. They got a big chunk done. They haven't gotten anything done over here. I mean, a little bit.
You can see they've been walking.
Yeah.
Definitely right here. Looks like
No, I think that it was like this. I took a before video though. And then nothing over. Okay. So you guys are ready to go home, huh? You guys ready to go home? You still working? Okay, it's time to go home.
chill, bro.
You coming? Okay, there you go. This is gonna be a moment of truth here to see if they like it with the hay in there. Oh, come on.
Chill. You're on my leash. Let me get them in there.
Okay.
Oh, I'm dead.
Okay, there we go.
Why'd you let everyone go? I can't.
Come. There we go.
You guys know what to do.
I'm gonna say
The babies are on top of
it is
them.
way easier to load them with the hay bale in there.
They're so crazy.
Home, my loves. No idea if this is gonna work, but this is what my boyfriend said I should do to clean it out, so let's go. And honestly, it's not even that messy.
Get that brush. For now.
Oh, okay, this was not a good idea after putting the hay bale in here.
Yeah.
So just don't aim it at the hay bale and we're good. Right? It works?
Yeah.
If you didn't see my last video, this is what I'm doing with my Quail Hutch.
Joe, there's so much eggs.
I know. This is what I'm doing with the Quail Hutch. I am painting it, and I
There's so
made.
much paint everywhere.
Hold on a second. I what?
There's so much paint everywhere.
I don't care if I got paint on the grass, dude. And I made these 2 little doors for it. Super cute. This is our next project to finish.